54. So yeah, the elevation looks so weird in the front, but it's super surprising, as you know. Has the courtyard. Before we get to the courtyard, get into the bedroom, 5th bedroom, walk-in closet, and then the full bath. A really great choice to have that full bath. And that's the 4th bedroom. So huge slider. It's a 6-foot slider, 6-foot wide slider. Then the courtyard, huge courtyard, very similar to the model. Open concept, 10-foot ceilings. So this has plumbing, electricity, and ductwork too. So these look like they're going to be closing soon. Same thing here. Put some privacy bushes. That house is already occupied. This is awesome. That's crazy. You could actually make this into additional space if you didn't want an outdoor space, but windows are here, open concept, all the lights, plumbing, HVAC, all completed. Okay. Oversized garage. You can see that there's a lot of room on each end. Again, you have an 8-foot parking pad, so easily can park sideways if they needed to. Great size garage. Yeah, this drywall should be ready once they get the drywall. Next door has the drywall. This is the pantry, and then this is the half bath. They should have made that additional storage, but I guess you could do that later if you needed to. It's really weird. Stairs. Yeah, you see, just need the handle right there. First bedroom here. Yeah, so this has the bath. Is that Jack and Jill? Yeah, Jack and Jill. And this is the other one. I like the corner windows, bath, Jack and Jill. Has to be Jack and Jill. Then this is the laundry room, and then the primary. So the primary is pretty good in this. One closet here, another closet there, and this has that good, nice bath. Everything's up. This is ready for drywall.